Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how camera promote works on the REALME Pad Mini. So first of all, to open the promote you have to click on the More modes, select Pro, and let's start from the left side. First we can adjust ISO level by using these presets on the screen. Next we can find shutter speed. The next option is the white balance. Right here we can find focus range. So when I set it up like that, as you can see, I can catch focus on the buttons. It's sharp right now, but when I set it up like that, as you can see, I have to put this camera lens a little bit closer. And here we can also find the exposure compensation. And yeah, as you can see, that's all for this video. That's how the promote looks on the REALME Pad Mini. Thank you for watching. Hope you like it.